Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to clear your browsing history in Microsoft Edge. Keeping your browsing history clean can help protect your privacy and free up some space on your device. So let's start the video. First, open Microsoft Edge browser on your computer. Now click on the three dots in the top right corner to open the Edge menu. From the drop-down menu, click on History. This is your browsing history sorted by date. You can click any single website by hovering your cursor over it and then click on this delete icon. Now to delete all browsing history, click on the delete browsing data icon at the top. So click on it. A new window will appear. In the delete browsing data pop-up, choose the time range for the data you want to delete. From last hour to all time. We are going to select all time. In choose what to clear, make sure browsing history is checked. We are going to uncheck all other options. Now click on clear now button. Now if we click on the history again, you can see it's clear now. So that's how to delete browsing history in Edge. Thanks for watching.